You're looking for a workout? Well, it's time to get back to basics. Let's take a look at the menu. We are going to do our back squats today. You're gonna start off with your lightest. You're gonna work your way up to a heavy back squat. And we're gonna superset with pull-ups and leg raises. Come with me, walk with me, talk with me, all right? One of the biggest problems people have is they are constantly looking for the fancy. The fancy, what's new, what's fancy, what's new, what's fancy, okay? Look, when it comes to your workout, you want to work the basics. Basics build better bodies, okay? So work on your fundamentals, get your setup right, make sure you understand how to do these things. Make sure you spend your time wisely working on the basics, having your moves clean and precise. Then, after our back squats, come over here. We are going to work on pull-ups. You can do pull-ups or you can do ring rows. Hang on, let me get my booster seat. That's right, I'm short, okay? So, if pull-ups are no problem, amazing, do pull-ups. Alternatively, and you always want an alternative. Alternatively, we can do ring rows. Grab on, set yourself up under the point. You're gonna come back, keep everything packed. Your shoulders are packed. I'm gonna adjust these, lower them a little bit, but for right now, good for the demo. So packed, come up, pull, and then slow and in control. You're gonna do 5 pull-ups or 10 ring rows for this one. Leg raises. It makes me laugh because I always think of my students and the members at our gym here, they love themselves some leg raises. You can do lots of different variations. Grab onto a kettlebell if you need it and pull up, come down. Pull up, come down. You can just simply bring them up like this. You can bring them and push up. You can go up and twist, okay? Lots of variations. Make sure that you're paying attention to detail. Pay attention to your basics. Remember the most important things. Basics build better bodies. Have fun.